In one line, how would you explain TMC? Just in one line.
So if you say in one line, I think हर दिन अपने आप को बेहतर बनाने की कोशिश है टीएमसी। आप जो कल थे, यदि आपने अपने आप को थोड़ा सा भी इम्प्रूव किया है, that is TMC for me. I think if anyone has read the book of Atomic Habit from James Clear, उसमें जेम्स क्लियर यही बोलते हैं कि अपने आप को हर दिन आप 1% से इम्प्रूव करो। जो आप कल थे, यदि वो आप थोड़े से भी बेटर है, यू आर डन। राइट। सो वही मेरी कोशिश रहती है कि जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो भी अपने आप को हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ सुधार करें, अपनी आदतों में, अपने रूटीन में, ठीक है, अपने सर्कल में, अपने नेटवर्क में, जो कंटेंट वो अब्सॉर्ब कर रहे हैं। कि सी दिस इज कंटेंट इज द पावर नाउअडेज फॉर स्टूडेंट्स एंड फॉर एडल्ट्स आल्सो। व्हाट कंटेंट वी आर अब्सॉर्बिंग, वी आर our brain, our body, our mind, everything will work in that direction, right?
Yeah. Okay, so small commitments and these small steps basically
Yes.
towards your next goal. What dream do you hold for Teen Mind Crafters? What's the big dream? Where you want to go?
I have a dream to give my students wings so they can fly with their own dreams.
Thank you for launching such sessions for us and helping us to decide what we have to exactly in our life.
Hello everyone. So I guess joining Pehel was really a game changer in my life. I mean, I was really underconfident and I was, my visions or my goals were very blank. I didn't have any. But after joining Pehel, it was like, a self-discovery mode. I was able to understand myself better, and it also helped me to appreciate small things in life that are often overlooked by people. And it really raised my self-confidence, and it never felt that I'm learning something. It was always that we are communicating and we are enjoying laughing and you learn something new, and even other students' experiences inspired us that if he or she can do it, I can do it too. So that was the best part of it. And Dipti ma'am, your dedication towards this mission also, it was so inspiring. It really helped me a lot, and it had a profound impact on me, I must say, and I guess all other students feel the same. So I'm so proud to be a student. Keep going.
Thank you so much, Virika.
Yeah, I just want to say that I haven't been in Pahal because of time difference and then being in London. But I think Dipti auntie has really helped my confidence in exams and studying, and just telling me what's like right and wrong, and like confidence and everything. So I just want to say thank you. She's a really nice person, and really like what she's doing for everyone.
Are you doing this alone, or do you have any team who are supporting you? How you manage
Yes,
all these?
Archana and Shilpa and Neha, Amreen and Nidhya. So we are a team of 5 as of now. And yes, you can introduce Shilpa and Archana yourself.
I am Archana here, working with Deepti from the past 3-4 months now.
Hi, I am Shilpa and currently working as a video editor.
Neha is here, yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Nidha. She's a ACC coach from ICF and international coach, and she's a great counselor, I must say.
Really?
And coach. Yes.
This Teen Mind Crafters goes a long way back. When we all, got together, it was obviously your idea, but started brainstorming and all. But it's such a wonderful feeling to finally see it, come through, and you're going to go live with it now. So all the very best, and anything and everything that you think we can contribute towards the success of this venture, you can just call us anytime. Yeah. So best wishes, best bet, and you have a very strong purpose, so you will nail it.
I agree. You talked about quota issues. So how you handle failure in your life?
So see, we all of us, face failure. One of the other time we face failure, and failure is something that without that I don't think कोई सक्सेसफुल हो भी पाया है बिना फेलियर के. हम उसको फेलियर माने ना माने, पर कहीं ना कहीं हमको फेलियर मिलती है लाइफ में, और मैंने भी बहुत फेलियर फेस किया है.
And also, I think, as you mentioned, like failure, so it's okay, like to accept the failure and just work with it. Like, okay, if it's failed, but that's not complete failure. You might have learned something. You might have got something out of it, a lesson maybe,
Right.
and then you can work on those things. And then, so yeah, it's really fantastic.
बच्चों के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा इसमें प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार किया है. इसमें एक सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि बच्चे आजकल जो ये डिजिटल दुनिया में भाग रहे हैं ना, उसमें उसको दूर हटने का प्रयास इसने किया है, क्योंकि इसमें एक गोल फिक्स करवाती है, उस गोल को पूरा करने के लिए मोटिवेट करती है, और इतने इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से करवाती है बच्चों को. बच्चों को बड़ा मजा आता है, खूब एंजॉय करते हैं बच्चे और सीखते भी हैं. उसको गेम भी करवाती है, और वो गेम जो करवाती है वो भी उनको मतलब माइंड रिलेटेड रहते हैं, उनका माइंड डेवलप करने के लिए रहते हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म डेवलप किया है इसने. बहुत खुशी है मेरी.
मेरी बिटिया ने जो काम शुरू किया है उसमें सक्सेस हो, बच्चों को फायदा मिले, बहुत सारे बच्चों को, यही चाहती हूँ हमेशा. सारे बच्चे संस्कारी बने, हर मेहनत सफल होती है. बेटा तुमने जो पहल की है बहुत ऊंचाइयों तक जाओ तुम.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, आज बड़ा फक्र हो रहा है. मेरी बिटिया ने आज जो है इतना बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन कर रही है, और जो कि सबके लिए ये बहुत, मतलब देखा जाए तो फ्यूचर के लिए, बच्चों के फ्यूचर के लिए, शी इज हैविंग वेरी नाइस अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन आवर फैमिली. वी आर हैविंग ए वेरी बाउंड फैमिली एंड वेरी मच अंडरस्टैंडिंग वी आर हैविंग. दिस इज ऑल दी क्वालिटी विच शी इज हैविंग, वेरी मच अप्रिशिएटेड. And I can't say any word which quality she is having. We are proud in our family that she is looking after in all respect, in all way of work. I'm very, very much proud. She is giving everything regarding respect. Very nice. I'm very thankful to God also that we are having such a nice in our family members, and she is bound to do this. Very much thank you.
Thank you so much, Dipti. Very nice plot and very, very well done. I love the website and your planning, how well you have designed and how well you have prepared for it, basically, I should say. That and brilliant. Hats off to you for your vision for the youth, basically. And it always, I'm sitting in London and always hear about the quota children, what you spoke about, and I always worried that I wish I could do something about them. And I'm really amazed to see that being a CA, you could have a very nice, financial career, and you left everything and you've taken this path. And not everyone in the world, I've seen only few of them, and you are one of them that who has taken this path of doing something better for the people, and for this is the future we have to build, and if we don't take the step now, we will be very late. And you're building the future, basically, future of the children, future of the Indian kids, and maybe it can go abroad as well. This is a very strong, powerful plot, and I wish you all the best with all my heart. Thank you so much for doing this. Well done.
Thank you so much.
All the very best for your future.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Priyanka.
I always feel like positivity because she is always positive and हमेशा मतलब पॉजिटिविटी में ही रहती है. तो मुझे भी ऐसा मॉर्निंग से ही मेरी शुरुआत हो जाती है पॉजिटिविटी को लेके कि हाँ, लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. और ये पहल वाकई में दीप्ति तुम्हारी बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत आगे जाओगी इसको लेके, बहुत नाम कमाओगी, नो डाउट. और
अब नाम मुझे नहीं कमाना है, मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को नाम कमाना है.
अरे बिल्कुल वो ही तुमको फील कराएंगे प्राउड. बिल्कुल ये तो है.
Thank you so much, Deepika. Thanks a lot. Pahel, I know.
Yes. So I'm happy that you have given a great shape to your passion, and the courses which you have designed. I think it will be useful to even my kids I will explore the website shortly and revert you. And it is good that someone is concentrating on shaping the minds of teens at this age itself, because generally people work on themselves after they become quite old, whereas you are trying to mold them in the right way at this age itself. So I am happy that you have come out with this website and courses. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Naveen ji. Thanks a lot.
Now is the time. If you would like to show us your website and then any details of your program. So that's the last question from me.
Sure. Why not? I will invite my daughter Advika to unveil my website because she is the one who, who has been always motivating me that Mama, you should do this. Because many time I was getting a thought that why this, why not something else? Because being a chartered accountant, I have a lot of scope in terms of having a good financial backup, right? Rather than going to a coaching industry where I have to struggle. So, but she is the one who motivated me, and I want her to unveil the website. Yes. So first, you have to make it into. Let me run with the website. So this platform is for preteens and teens. I'll be dealing for the age group from 8 to 12 years and 12 year plus to 16 years. That is the two age group I'll be targeting, means ultimately 8 to 16 years of age group. And this is something, my mission, what I'm going to give to the children, empowering them with scientifically proven tools, research-based techniques and powerful habits to make them as a strong leaders, build a positive with a growth mindset, not with a result mindset, but I want them to build a growth mindset and be ready for any challenges that come their way. In a nutshell, this is the Teen Mind Crafters. And this is what I'm hearing from parents. My child can't do this. My child is good for nothing. He doesn't know maths. He doesn't know science. He doesn't have any interest in any subject, or he can't speak English, or he is something, he can't, he doesn't have any routine, or maybe he wakes up very late, this and that. So many things I'm listening from parents. So that is the reason I put this as a very strong statement. It's time to destroy your inner voice as a parent that says, I want to destroy that voice from parents. I want to work along with the children, along with the parents, to destroy this voice. And this is my introduction. Recently, I've completed my psychology from NHCA Singapore. And that's it. That's all about me. I have been working with various corporates, as a finance head, because I'm being a chartered accountant. And this is, switch from a finance to a coaching. So it will take time for me, but I'm very happy to do that because it's something, my inner calling, I couldn't ignore. And these are the courses which I'm offering as of now, and there are many more coming in the pipeline. So Get Set Goal is the goal setting workshop where I interact with the children. We shake them from inside and they come up with their own goals. See, one is that when you give someone a goal, it's different. When the child themselves, the children themselves, they will take their goal that, yes, I want to do this in my life. I want to, I'll give you one example of one of my student. She is very good in basketball, and she said that, ma'am, I want to score right now. If I am doing a 10 hit in basket, I'm getting 2. So I want to increase to 5. That kind of minute goal with the timelines, with the action item my children is taking, and they are working towards that. So that is our Get Set Goal program, where we interact individually with the children, and this is a group activity, and this is a one-on-one activity as well. So this is about the workshop. This take 2.5 hours, and we fuel the big dreams. And this is a distraction detox, because once they have their goal, once they have their dreams, they'll be completely into that. They will not be on the social media or maybe on the other stuff. So this is an amazing exercise for children. And the other program is the Spark Club. as the name says, S for strategic, potential activation and resilience, keen mind club. So here, whatever I have spoken, everything we provide in this course, handling the emotions, building the confidence, on the habit building, on the subconscious habits, right? Goal setting, even their career counseling, which subject stream they have interest, everything is part of this course. So,
Very well designed.
and the time management. So this is what TMC is providing, the overall thing, Ashish. How you can best use of your 24 hours, and this is really challenging, not only for children, even for adults. They struggle. See, if you get Insta reels, you will be just keep scrolling that. Now you have to decide. You have to stop that, and you want to go for it's your sleep time, right? So it's not about just children. It's about the discipline. It's about the habit. It's about your subconscious mind. It's about what is on priority for you, right? So we do that very meticulously. We connect with children, and they themselves start changing. Master your emotions, as I discussed about the quota case. It's not about that extreme, but the emotion handling is very, very important for any age group. It's not about for children, even for adults, they struggle to control. See, it's not about controlling. See, anger or maybe the hatred or maybe the sadness. It's all types of anger. But once you identify that, you know that how to deal with that. The identification is very important. Goal setting, dynamic habits, confidence building, right? So version creation, we create a version. Suppose a child is waking up at 7 and for 21 days the child is waking up 6. The child has reduced 1 hour time. Then we call it as a version. Now child is on 2.0. Initial version is 1.0. So we set at least 5 versions for child in the Teen Minecrafters. And each child will assign one accountability partner. So that way it's becoming easy for them to, keep track for their goals. So this is program.
Very interesting module. You have designed very well. It covers each and every part, like all the elements, not just bookish knowledge, but the overall our day-to-day life, and then what we can do with it. So it's really great.
And the third one is the craft your career, where because this idea I got it when I interacted with one of the Allen head in Bangalore. He is the Neeraj. He is the South head of Bangalore Allen Institute, and he mentioned that the parents are just sending children to our institute without knowing that their child is interested to become engineer or not. They just want their child to become engineer. That is the reason they are sending. When I ask the child, what is your interest? Child is very blank, very much blank. I don't know. Right? So with that, I got an idea that nowadays parents are sending from 6th grade onwards. You won't believe. 6th. It's not about 10th or 11th. I'm talking about early childhood. Kids are going to Allen kind of institute. So then I thought that if the parents and children, they know about which subject stream their strength lies, because I got to know my strength and weakness in my 30s. But if someone get to know in their, when the child is say 12 year, 10 year, then it's something great, right? So with that thought process, I introduced this, where we do the psychometric and we'll get to know that where the strength and weakness lies, which subject stream is good for the child. So this is something, And apart from that, we take one-on-one counseling as well for any particular issue if the child and parent is addressing. We take one-on-one counseling where we have international coaches from Singapore, Dubai, and Gurgaon. We have 3 coaches from 3 different places, and they are certified from ICF, ACC coaches from ICF, International Institute of Career Coaching. So this is Teen Minecrafters, and this is some inspiring stories of parents, and this is some videos that parents have shared for their feedback, and this is our gallery of TMC, and you will find our TMC kids achievements also on, I think, few slides we have put their achievements here on the gallery. And see this is the gallery. And so this is all about the website, Ashish.
Really interesting.
So thanks a lot. And it's not just my mission. I am sure that this is the mission of all the parents, right? So this is not one Deepti or Neha or Shilpa. It's all of us, right? We have to see, because Deepti can't do anything without parent support, right? So we have to do it together, and I'm sure we'll do it. Yeah. So with that, shall we end this meeting? I don't want to do that, but I know all of you must be having some commitments, and it's already, we have crossed 1 hour. So once again, thank you so much for joining. Thanks a lot. A big clap for all of you from my side. Thanks a lot.